Ready to level up your hunting game? Let's find the perfect air rifle for you. Later. Hi everyone, in this video we're breaking down the top 7 best and most powerful break barrel air rifles of 2025 that you can grab on Amazon. Whether you're after small game, pest control, or just perfecting your shot, this list has everything you need. Stick around because one of these rifles stands out as a game changer. Curious which one? I'll reveal it soon. Don't forget to check the links in the description for all the products. Alright, let's dive in. 7. Benjamin Trail NP XL 1100. Starting off strong, the Benjamin Trail NP XL 1100 is a powerful, reliable air rifle designed for hunters. Technology. It features nitro piston technology, swapping the traditional spring for a nitrogen cartridge, giving you smooth, consistent power. Performance. Fires .22 caliber pellets with enough force to take down small game up to 10 pounds, all while being quieter than supersonic .177 calibers. Build quality. A hardwood stock with laser-engraved details and a 3-inch 9x40mm scope mounted on a Picatinny rail. At 8.8 pounds, it's solid and steady, minimizing recoil for improved accuracy. This air rifle is perfect for pest control or skill building, offering power, precision, and durability in one package. The guessing game. 6. Gamo Swarm Fusion 10XGEN 3i. The Gamo Swarm Fusion 10X Gen 3i combines power and innovation for an unmatched shooting experience. Part 2. Rapid Fire. Its 10X Gen 3i inertia-fed magazine allows for 10 quick shots. Just break the barrel, and you're ready to go. Noise control. Whisper Fusion technology keeps it quiet, perfect for stealthy shooting. Custom features. Includes the CAT adjustable trigger for personalized control, and the RRR system to reduce recoil, protecting your scope. With a 5-year warranty and top-tier accessories, this air rifle is built for shooters of all levels, whether you're hunting or target shooting. 5. Crosman Optimus CO8 M22X. The Crosman Optimus is a spring-powered break barrel rifle designed for power, precision, and ease of use. Performance. Fires .22 caliber pellets at up to 950 FPS, making it ideal for small game hunting and target shooting. Quiet shooting. Its rifled steel barrel reduces noise by 70%, keeping your position stealthy. Included scope. Comes with a center point 430-10 scope, allowing for precise aiming right out of the box. Lightweight with a smooth cocking mechanism, this rifle is beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for seasoned hunters. Or Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i. For those who crave power and efficiency, the Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i delivers both in spades. Multi-shot magic. The 10X G3i rotary magazine allows you to fire up to 10 shots without reloading. Gas piston technology. The IGT Mach 1 piston delivers consistent power and smoother shooting, ideal for accuracy. Custom action trigger. Fully adjustable to suit your shooting style, ensuring precision and control. Perfect for long-range shooting or small game hunting, the Swarm Magnum is a feature-packed rifle designed to perform under any conditions. Now, do you have a Ruger Explorer Youth Air rifle? The Umarex Ruger Explorer is a fantastic option for young shooters or anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use air rifle. And if you're interested to try it out for a first rifle, youth-friendly, at just 4.45 pounds and 37.1225 inches, it's manageable for smaller shooters. Safety first. Includes an automatic safety feature and a durable, ambidextrous synthetic stock. Performance. Fires double-sided bullets, maximum range 30 feet. Chamber explodes and cannot be interred. Performance lasts up to 495 FPS, ideal for backyard target practice or small pest control. With its fiber optic sights and comfortable design, this rifle is perfect for introducing young enthusiasts to the world of air gunning. 2. Barra Airguns 1200G Dual Caliber. Versatility meets power with the Barra 1200G, a dual-caliber air rifle that lets you shoot arrows at 27 and 22 pellets with ease. Footnote: interchangeable barrels. Quickly switch calibers using an Allen wrench, tailoring your rifle for hunting or target practice. High performance, achieves 1200 FPS with D1 and D2, ensuring speed and accuracy with D422, ensuring speed and accuracy. 1. Durability, features a fluted polymer-sleeved steel barrel and ergonomic grip for long-lasting use. With its adaptability and reliability, this air rifle is perfect for those who want flexibility without compromising on performance. 1. Gamo Swarm Maxxim Air Rifle. Taking the top spot is the Gamo Swarm Maxxim, a rifle that combines power, precision, and innovative features. 10-shot capacity. Fire up to 10 pellets without reloading, perfect for rapid shooting sessions. Velocity. Reaches 1300 FPS with PBA Platinum pellets, delivering speed and accuracy. Advanced features includes the IGT gas piston for consistent power, Whisper Max Maxxim technology for noise reduction, and an adjustable custom action trigger for precision. Whether you're an experienced shooter or just starting out, this rifle offers unparalleled performance. Its fluted polymer-jacketed steel barrel and included 3-Nick N40 scope make it a complete package for hunters and target shooters alike. Final thoughts. And there you have it, the top 7 most powerful break barrel air rifles of 2025, from the customizable Benjamin Trail NP-XL to the feature-rich Gamo Swarm Maxxim. Each rifle on this list brings something special to the table. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab the perfect air rifle for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.